So today's lesson is about the names of the keys on the piano. You know, as a keyboardist or as someone who wants to learn the piano, you have to first know these kind of basic things before you start learning much about the piano. You know, so this is the first thing that you have to learn as someone who wants to learn the piano or who wants to learn the keyboard. Yeah. Okay, so the names of the keys on the keyboard. Now, as you can see on the keyboard, you have both black and then white keys, as you can see. So right now, we're gonna talk about only the white keys. So we're gonna know the names of the white keys, and after that, in another video, I would do another video, for the names of the black keys, so that we'll be going step by step. Okay, so now on the keyboard we have 12 keys. On the keyboard we have 7 white keys and then 5 black keys. Now someone would ask, why is Calvin saying this? Because I can see plenty keys on the keyboard. I can see plenty keys, about, I don't know, 40 or 50, or I can see, but he's saying that there are only 12. Now I'll show you. Now, from the English alphabet, we have 26, I think, 26 alphabet or 26 letters. Yes. Now, from the musical alphabet or musical letters, we have only 7, being from A through G. But for the English alphabet, it's A through Z or A through Z. And for the musical alphabet, is A through G. So there are only 7. Yeah, there are only 7. So now, how do we know these keys? Okay. So now, forget about A, forget about B, and let's jump into C. The first key that you see here is key C. The first key is key C. And why is it key C? Now, there are diverse ways of knowing the names of the white keys. Now, you can see that there are 2 group of keys. There are these 2 group of keys, and then there is another one here. There are 3. So it's a pattern: 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on. Yes, these 2 set of keys and these 3 set of keys helps you to locate the position of the white keys. How? Now this is how. On the left side of these 2 black keys is C. On the right side is E. Right? In the middle is D. Let's come to these group of keys, these 3 group of keys. On the left side is F. On the right side is B. And in the middle here, I call this the middle left, which is G, and the middle right, which is A. You get it? Yes. So let's go once again. On the left side of these 2 black keys is C. On the right side is E. D is in the middle. And for these 3 black keys, on the left side is F. On the right side is B. On the middle left is G. And on the middle right is A. You get it? So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. So since there's C here, there's C here, we just take only one C. So we just move. So we just take from this C to the B. And then let's take this group of keys, this whole group, and then let's cut the whole of this side. Just cut from here, go in, just cut. And then now, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus these black keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making 12. So this set of keys are repeated on the keyboard. So this is 12, another 12, another 12, another 12, and so on. You get it? So we have C here, another C here, another C here, another C here, another C here. The same thing applies to D, and so on. Yes. So that is the first thing that will help us to identify the position of the white keys, being these two black keys, these two groups of black keys, and then these three group of keys. That will help us to locate the white keys. That is number one. And number two is quite simple. One thing that will help us to locate or to know the white keys, the names of the white keys, is the shape of the keys. How? Let's compare D and G. Look at the shape of D. The shape of D, this side and this side, they are the same. How they cut it, how it's being shaped. This side and this side, they are the same. But look at D. Look at G. G, this side and this part. This side is bigger than this part. So they are different. You understand? Now let's look at A. This part and this part is different. This part is bigger than this part. Yes. So these three keys, they all have different shapes. But let's look at C and F. They have the same shape. The same thing applies to E and B. They also have the same shape. But the difference is that C is located on the left side of these two black keys, and F is located on the left side of these three black keys. The same way, E is located on the right side of these two black keys, and B is located on the right side of these three black keys. You understand now? So these are the two ways that you can use to identify the position of the white keys. Now let's do a short recap. So C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. And that's it for the names of the white keys. Stay tuned. Make sure you follow, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, also Carl's Music. So this is what I have for you. Thanks very much. See you next time.